Bonjour à tous. This is video number 2 of our orientation videos. On the first video, I talked to you about the syllabus. That is a very important video that I suggest you watch before this one. On this video, I'm going to show you the day-to-day calendar, and I also want to go over eCampus, how to navigate it, what is available for you, and also take a look at MindTap and how to access MindTap, which is a website where you will be doing a lot of your work for this class. So to access not only our syllabus but our day-to-day calendar, you need to go to eCampus, go to our course shell, and you need to click on the menu to the left where it says syllabus and calendar, and I have here Word documents for each one of those documents. So I have opened already the calendar for our class. I want to remind you that this class is a flex term class, which means it is an accelerated class. We will be completing the work of 4 months. We will be completing it in 2 months. So I want you to know that the class is intensive in nature. That classes, not only online classes, but intensive classes require a lot of self-discipline and a lot of responsibility. So I just want you to know that that is something that is expected. That's something that you should expect from day one, that there is a lot of work that needs to be done and that you need to be on top of things. And one way that I can help you with that is by creating a calendar, a day-to-day calendar. So assignments are due at midnight on the day that is shown on your calendar. All assignments are available at the beginning of the class. So you can go and start completing those assignments if you feel up to it. Try and work ahead, which is something that I said to you on our first video. Try to work 3 sessions ahead. And there's no late work accepted and no makeup work is allowed per departmental policy, especially with those exams. Okay? I told you on MindTap that there is a 2-day grace period, but besides that, beyond that, there is no more late work allowed, especially on a flex term where we don't have time. So make sure that you are that you are keeping up with your assignments and that you download a copy of this day-to-day calendar to help you. And on our calendar, you will see that there is some stuff highlighted in blue. That means that you need to submit those assignments on eCampus, and that is and whatever is highlighted in yellow, that is an assignment that you need to complete on MindTap. Remember that these are the 2 websites where you will be submitting 95% of your work. Okay, so this is what the calendar looks like for us. So Tuesday, January 19th, that's the first day of class. All I require of you is to study the syllabus, to watch the orientation videos, which if you're listening to me right now, you're already doing, and you need to create a MindTap account or log back in if you already have a Cengage account, especially if you already took our course, French 1411 with Madame Dodd or with me or with Madame Griffiths. You already have an account. All you need is to log in via our eCampus website. So let me show you how to do that. So this is our eCampus website. And you see the third link on the left. It says MindTap link course key. So you click on here, and I have created a link that goes directly to our website. So you click on it, and it'll take you to MindTap. And because I'm already signed in, it'll take me straight to the material, right? But for you, it'll ask you to log in or to sign up. So you sign up, you go through the motions, give the information that is being requested of you, and then you will have access. Okay, this is what MindTap looks once you have successfully logged in. And as you can see, everything is divided into weeks. So it is a calendar as well. So on Tuesday the 19th, I have a getting started video. So make sure that you look at that so that you can get completion grade for that video. And this video just shows you how to navigate MindTap. But then on Thursday, you have all of these assignments due. And this is the first assignment, the first topic of our class, which is the passé composé, like how to use the past tense in French. So these are the assignments that you need to complete, not on Tuesday, but on Thursday. So when you log in, you will see all of our material will be here, right? If you want to look at your book, you also have access to your book, and you just need to go here to the left, and you see there to the right, I'm sorry, and you see have a full book, so yeah, you can start studying, right? When you open MindTap, when you open one of these assignments, for example, the assignment will be shown to you to the right, and to the left it'll show you the material that the activity will test you on. So you have some material available to you to the left as you're completing your assignment. So make sure that you take advantage of that little shortcut. But that doesn't mean that it gives you everything, right? So make sure that you go ahead and open your textbook and you do some studying. So this is what MindTap looks like. Make sure that when you are clicking on those assignments that you are submitting correctly, right? If when you try the assignment, there is a submission button at the bottom, you see? So make sure that you are, if you have any questions, just let me know, okay? So this is MindTap. So what you need to do is just make sure that you're clicking on all of these and that you're completing these assignments in a timely manner. All of these are due Thursday, okay? So how do you prepare to tackle this? I suggest to, of course, read the book, but also you have, if you look at eCampus, you have a link called lesson videos, okay? And in lesson videos, you have this is the website for Madame Dodd. She has allowed us to use her materials for this class. So if you click on her website, you also need to click on El Centro College, French 1412, and she has not only slides but videos on each topic that you will see on your assignments. So, and she has them labeled per chapter, so you can just go ahead and look at the slides and you look at the videos. If you click on lecture videos and Quizlets, these are the videos that I have prepared for our class. So, and I have divided them into the main topics, the main grammar topics. So the passé composé, this is the video that I prepared, and I also pulled some videos from the internet that I thought were very good at explaining the passé composé. And you also have Quizlets, which means that it helps you with the conjugations, it helps you to remember certain vocabulary for the class. So make sure you are taking advantage of the materials that we're putting on lesson videos, okay? So that by reading the textbook, by watching our grammar videos, you are prepared to go back to MindTap and complete your assignments with full confidence, okay? So that's MindTap. You'll need to access MindTap via eCampus by clicking on the MindTap link at the top, okay? Email me if you have any questions. And yeah, that's it. So let me go back to our calendar. Okay, so that's what is due to on Tuesday, right? You need to either create a MindTap account, right, and watch the orientation videos you're watching right now. On Thursday, you have chapter 5, right? Competence 1. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 4 chapters that we're going to be covering in this class. And each chapter is divided into 4 lessons that they call compétences. So you have chapter 1, compétence 1, compétence 2, compétence 3, compétence 4, and then you have an exam. Okay, so you will see each one of these compétences is a different lesson, it's different material. Each one of these assignments that I call assignments, these are 20 to 25 activities. The ones that you saw on MindTap, right? This is what they are standing for, right? The chapter 5, competence 1, this is what you saw on MindTap. This is it. Right? These are the assignments for chapter 5, competence 1. Then for Sunday, right, you have chapter 5, competence 2. Not Sunday, sorry, for Tuesday. You have chapter 5, competence 2. Okay. On Sunday, you have discussion boards that are due. The cultural discussion board and the critical thinking discussion board. These are done in English, and I will send instructions as we near, right, the weekend. Okay. So this is mostly what you'll be doing at the beginning. You will be working on MindTap on all of these assignments. You will be working on eCampus on these discussion boards. In February, we will start talking about speaking tests. So on February 7th, I will send you a doodle poll to schedule your first speaking test that will take place on Teams. Okay, and we're scheduling it for next Sunday, which is the 14th of February. Then on the 21st of February, we're scheduling your test number 2, which you will take on February the 28th. Okay, as you can see, a lot of it is yellow, right? Meaning you have competence 1, chapter 6, competence 2, chapter 6, competence 3, chapter 6. The stuff in blue, the eCampus stuff, is the composition in French, right? Which the instructions are already available on eCampus. And on February 16th, we have the beginning of the reflective project, which is that essay and that PowerPoint presentation. That's when it will begin, and you will do a peer critique, right? And you will do, on March 7th, you will complete the reflective paper. Once you have critiqued other papers and people have critiqued your own, and you have incorporated those issues that some other people have suggested on your papers, some changes that they have suggested, and you have created a PowerPoint that will be due on March the 7th. And your final exam is chapter 8, and this is the last day of class, March 11. So make sure that you have a copy of your calendar, download it, and look at it regularly. I do my best to send you announcements to let you know when things are due, but you know exactly when everything is due by looking at the calendar and by looking at MindTap and eCampus. So make sure that you keep up to date with all of these deadlines, okay? And that's it for this video. I hope that this was clear. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. All you have to do for Tuesday is sign in or sign up for MindTap and watch these orientation videos. On Thursday, you have your first batch of homework on MindTap. Okay, and then we go from there. We'll be in touch and talk to you soon. Okay, goodbye.